look over there. What is that, Max? Oh my god, I need to clean this. Romy, you're going for it?